Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that some of us might face when dealing with car infotainment systems. So here's the deal, the problem arises when your car's infotainment system has a limit on the number of music directories and files it can recognize on a USB stick. This can result in the system randomly ignoring directories or files, causing frustration for us music lovers. Now, let's dive into the solution for this dilemma. One approach we can take is by using the find command with the exector option. This allows us to copy music files to a flattened directory while avoiding issues with duplicate file names. By prefixing the file name with a random number, we increase the chances of having a unique selection each time we run the command. The initial code snippet we can use is find music min-depth 2 type f exector cp flat $random_. Building on the previous solution, we can further enhance the randomization process by incorporating a differ random number for each file copy operation. To achieve this, we can modify the command by adding a bash script within the exector option. This updated command ensures that each copied file is uniquely named by including a random number as part of the file name. So, the command would look something like find music min-depth 2 type f exector bash c flat $random_. In summary, we've explored a practical solution to address the issue of limited music directory recognition on car infotainment systems. By utilizing the find command with the exector option and incorporating random numbers into file names, we can optimize the selection of music files for a more enjoyable listening experience on the go. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment with your thoughts on this quirky yet practical solution. Always remember, music makes the world go round.